What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend and I hope you are ready to start this new week and have a profitable week. Today, as you read the title, I am back with a crypto market update video. I haven't done one of these in a while and I thought this was a good moment to do a video like this because I got a lot of messages, especially privately, from people asking me about the crypto situation. They asked me if this was the bottom, if 18K was the bottom, and now the market should go up. And I decided to make a video talking especially about this, giving you my thoughts on it. But before I start the video, I just wanted to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is only my personal opinion, and you should do your own research before investing in these assets, okay? Because ultimately your capital will be at risk, okay? And also, if you wanna be in touch with all the new uploads I will post on YouTube, make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell on. If you wanna check out my free signal group and join it, link is in my description. You can do that by clicking the link. Also, if you want to sign up with the broker I am using, you can do that by clicking the link in the video description. And if you want to follow me on IG or check my website, those links are also down below. You can feel free to check them out, okay? Um, and also, if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you, all right? So now let's get straight into the video. I'm just gonna open the Bitcoin chart. Okay, I'm gonna delete everything and I'm gonna show you the my thoughts on the market. Okay, so as we can see, Bitcoin was on a huge drop and it looks like it found a resistance at 18K, okay, which is right here. It looks like it found its support at 18K, because as you can see from here, it started to bounce. All right, on the H4 we can see that it's in an uptrend. It started to be a bit bullish, as you can see, moving upwards. Broke this previous lower high right here, then retraced, and then it looks like it's gonna broke this higher high as well now. So yeah, on day trading perspective, Bitcoin is bullish. What can I say about it? It's bullish, it's creating bullish market structure. But you guys already know that when I talk about crypto, I want to be macro. I want to talk long term. I'm not interested in short term, as I do not leverage trade crypto. I just invest in it, holding positions over time. And yeah, that's just me, of course. I know some of you might leverage trade crypto, but I'm not into that. You guys know that I trade forex indices and I only invest in crypto for the long term. DCA, basically, dollar cost averaging. All right. Before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. So now I see a lot of people being very hyped about 18K, telling, man, this was the bottom. Bitcoin will slowly go up and it should go towards 30, then 40K and so on. But in my opinion, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, because if we go on the daily and we zoom out, we can see that Bitcoin rejected off of this level right here, which was a very major level in November 2017. This was a very strong resistance, because that resistance specifically dropped Bitcoin from 18K all the way to 3K. Okay, so you can imagine how strong this point is for Bitcoin. And as you can see, then it was a zone of support or resistance right here as well. In December 2020, it showed some resistance twice actually, and then it bounced off. And now in 2022 June. It came and rejected off of it. Okay, but do I really think Bitcoin is gonna go upwards from here? Well, to be honest with you all, me personally, I don't think it will. I don't think it will. I think this is just gonna be a um, relief rally. I think most likely Bitcoin will go towards 30K, and I think from here it could drop even further down. Okay, but of course, that's just my personal opinion. I would love to see Bitcoin go up from here and create a new all-time high, of course. I would love to see that. But with everything that's going on in the world, to be honest with you all, I do not think that Bitcoin will go straight up from here and never go past 18K. I think this scenario is likely to happen, but of course, it's not 100% sure. And if this happens, well, then what could be the next bottom? Well, to be honest, 10K would be a good target, in my opinion. If 10K breaks, then I don't really know anymore. If this level breaks here, I don't know what's going to happen, okay? But to be honest, I really think we might have a 10K Bitcoin soon. But of course, on the micro situation, I think it's gonna go upwards, maybe towards 30K, and then I think it will drop from there. But as I said, it's not sure. No one knows it for certain. And those that claim they do, trust me, they don't. They just do it for the views and for the attention. That's why I always say to do your own research before investing and not just take everything for granted, because that's not healthy, okay, for your investments. Um, so yeah, pretty much this is my technical point of view on Bitcoin, because you guys already know that I use Bitcoin as the reference chart because it's the leader of the market. I do not own any Bitcoin. If you're if you're interested in that, I do own a lot of altcoins though. Okay, so now after I showed you guys my opinion technically, I want to also share with you my opinion on how I approach this situation currently. All right, so let's go on CoinMarketCap. So from the past, you guys know that I'm a big fan of micro caps, like top 100, top 200 coins. To be honest with you, recently, after Bitcoin dropped below 30K, I just stopped focusing on micro caps because in a very big bear market, a lot of them can go to zero, and I do not want to get trapped in those. Instead, I started focusing on the main coins like Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink. I started to focus especially on these coins only because they are already at very discounted price, like 5 or 10x from their all-time high, which is amazing. And there's no point for me to go in microcaps. In my opinion, you should start looking out for microcaps when the market is pretty bullish, um, and it's not in a very strong bear market. Because, as I said, a lot of them can go to zero, and you don't want to get trapped into that. Okay, so now you might ask, well, what are some of your picks that you like to invest in? And also, my investment method is literally DCA, dollar cost average. Every single week or once at 3 or 4 days, I just decide to invest a certain amount of money in Solana, BNB, Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot, any of these top coins. Okay, like couple of $100 over the week. I do not care where the price is at because, as I said, with this method, I'm not trying to guess the bottom. I'm not trying to guess anything. I'm just investing over time. Okay, and in my opinion, this is a very good way to invest because I see a lot of people stressing out that they want to get the perfect bottom. And trying to do that, you might actually miss the bottom and then miss out on profits. Well, whereas instead, if you just dollar cost average from time to time, then you're not at risk. Of course, yeah, price might drop and you might be on the negative side for a while, but then if the market decides to pump up, you will be in very big profits. Okay, whereas if you really try to catch the bottom, you are at a very high risk to miss the whole move and miss out on a lot of profits. All right, So that's why I decide to dollar cost average. That's why I do not leverage trade. I take this as a very long-term investment. If I have to wait 1 year to be profitable, I'll wait 1 year. If I have to wait 2 years, same thing. If I have to wait 3 years, same thing. Okay, I'm just dollar cost averaging now, and I will sell well when Bitcoin is gonna be at new all-time highs. That's my plan. Okay, that's my opinion, and that's how I'm gonna approach this situation. Okay, so now let's get back to it. So Ethereum, one of the best ones to look at. Okay, it's the second coin in the world after Bitcoin. Very strong project, very strong team, very popular. As I said, in times like this, strong bear markets, I do not like to focus on micro caps. Instead, I like to focus on very popular coins that already have a name in the space. And as you can see, Ethereum is at 1.2K, was at 1K. Its all-time high is almost 5K. Okay, so that's a 4 to 5x from the all-time high, right? So is it a good time to invest? Of course, but I'm not saying this is the bottom. Ethereum might go to 500, okay? But if you DCA, if you're dollar cost averaging, it doesn't matter because you will buy at 1K, you will buy at 900, you will buy at 1.2K, you will buy at 800, and so on. You understand what I'm saying. Okay, second one. Well, I really like BNB as well. Binance. I do not see Binance disappearing. It's the best, it's the most popular crypto exchange. It's currently at 250, was at 220 recently. And as you can see, its all-time high is at 700, which is pretty much a 3x from the current price, which is not bad at all. Then we have Cardano as well. We have Solana. This is my favorite one, to be honest with you. Solana is my favorite one. Um, if I'm being honest, all-time high 250. I literally bought it at $25 as well. I think it was at 28 or so. I DCA'd here, 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 here. I bought all the way during this move right here. This is where I bought days after days. I accumulated Solana, and as you can see, it was at literally at 10x from its all-time high, like 1 or 2 weeks ago. Okay, so this is also a very good buy in my opinion. Then what else? Polkadot as well. Um, we also have Chainlink, Polygon as well, very good, but also Link. I am very bullish on Link over the long term, and that's why I want to accumulate Link as much as I can during these times. And as I said, I do not care if Link is currently at what, $7.40. I do not care if it goes at $3. I know I'm gonna be in a very big negative on all of my positions, but with my strategy, which is the DCA, which means dollar cost averaging, I do not care. I can buy at $8, I can buy at 7, I can buy at 5, I can buy at 3. I'm just buying and holding, and once after maybe 1 or 2 years from now or 5 months, who knows, when the market will go bullish again towards the previous all-time highs, that's when I will be in big profit. And once Bitcoin breaks the 69K all-time high, that's when I'm going to sell all of my positions. All right, that's my plan. Cosmos, Atom, also a very good project. And yeah, to be honest with you, this is pretty much it. I'm keeping it very, very simple. As I said, I'm just watching Bitcoin as a reference point to watch the technicals and have a specific opinion on it. That's personally just my opinion. Of course, I know there's people that probably think the same. There's people that say that this was the bottom. There's a lot of opinions, okay? And after that, I just keep it simple. I accumulate all of these top coins: Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Polkadot, Chainlink, and I repeat that every single week. I just accumulate and I let them there. Okay, I do not care if they go down more. I'll continue accumulating, and that's pretty much it. I'm just hodling. I'm just hodling and waiting. There's nothing else I can do about it because I'm not a leverage trader on crypto. Um, as I said, I do this as a long-term investment. All right. So yeah, guys, I hope I really brought some light into your perspective about the crypto market. But as I said, please make sure to do your own research before starting investing in crypto because it's a risky asset, of course. You know what happened to Terra Luna, and most likely that will happen to more coins in the future. So just be careful. Do not invest all your life savings. That's not clever to do, in my opinion. You should be very conservative, and you should have a plan approaching this crypto space. All right. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below, and feel free to also share and like the video. That will be very much appreciated. And yeah, guys, what can I say? I wish you all the best. I wish you all a very profitable week ahead, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.